Sentro ng pagbubukas ng 14th founding anniversary ng College of Communication ng main campus ang pagtugon sa panawagan ng nagbabagong klima. Sinimulan sa isang Thanksgiving Mass ang programa na sinundan ng convocation sa ilalim ng temang COC at 14, Responding to the Challenges of Climate Change. Tumayong guest speaker sina Philippine Army CMO Battalion Commander at PUP ROTC Commandant Colonel Benjamin Howe.
Two things that we can do, the youth can do during disasters. Number one, they have to be aware of the impact of disasters, the impact of hazards. And the second is they have to check their attitude on these things.
Nagbigay din ng mensahe si GMA7 resident meteorologist Nathaniel Cruz o mas kilala bilang Mang Tani.
Mga kapuso, yung inyong ginagawa, malaki ang maitutulong yan para sa taong bayan. Because of climate change, we expect more extreme events. At dahil mas maraming extreme events, mas vulnerable tayo.
Samantala, magdaraos ng week-long activities ang College of Communication sa pangunguna ni Dean Dr. Edna Bernabe, katuwang faculty at ilang mga student organization bilang pagdiriwang sa pagkakatatag ng kolehiyo. Kabilang na dito ang booth fair, photo exhibit at amazing race. Para sa The Observer Flash Online, Joshua Bernal.